Oh my goodness. The good salad. Wow. Hello!
What's up? It's Kat and Dev from Two Market Girls. This looks like some really nice bread.
Does it?
It's just a nice baguette.
Welcome back to kind of a series.
A sequel.
A sequel.
The mission continues.
Yes, in September of last year, we did a video all about a mission to like salads because I feel like I need to eat more salads.
Correct. And we still don't like it, so we're attempting again.
And, like, since then, I don't think I've willingly made a salad that wasn't Caesar salad at all. So, we're gonna continue. Part 2.
Very
3 more
optimistic.
salads.
But also, like, people seem to enjoy it.
Yeah, people actually really enjoyed that video.
So we're trying again.
Yeah, so we're gonna share some more salads with you guys and see if we like them.
Are we making 3?
We're making 3 again, yeah.
3.
We can, I'll tell you what they are.
Please.
Please! Please!
Enlighten us!
We're making, so from the first mess, we're gonna make a Pickle Panzanella Salad.
I'm into it.
Which I saw that and I was like, I wanna make that.
Yes.
And then from Lazy Cat Kitchen, we're gonna make a red cabbage and avocado salad.
Okay.
Sounds yummy. And then from plant-based RD blog, we're making a chickpea pasta salad with a creamy tahini dressing.
Okay.
So I'm excited about this. So yeah, Devin's gonna start roasting some chickpeas. I'm gonna start on the panzanella salad.
There we go.
We're gonna make salads.
We're gonna do it.
We're gonna do it.
We're gonna do it. Chickpeas. Get your chickpeas.
Get your chickpeas here.
I have to dry the chickpeas.
Do you see what happened?
Yeah, I got bread flying everywhere.
You know what? Okay, this is what I'm thinking. So I remember last time. Where's the bread go? There it is.
right here.
I remember last time we loosely followed the recipes. What do you think about not baking the chickpeas? And almost making it like, you know those like tuna pasta salads that people used to have? And you mash the chickpeas. Did you never have like a tuna pasta salad?
I don't know, but I know what you're talking about.
Instead of baking them.
So I would mash them and then what? Just mix it with the dressing?
Yeah, just mix it right into the pasta salad. Cause like, so this is what I'm thinking. Is this on?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know if I was talking to you or them or both.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about how I will make salads more.
Okay.
And I will never make a salad that requires me to bake chickpeas.
Okay.
Do you understand that?
Do you understand? Do you understand?
Like, do you get that?
Yes.
So what do you think about that?
So what do you think about that?
What?
Alright, I'll mash them.
Do you like the idea? I don't want you to do something that you don't think you'd enjoy.
I think it'll work with this.
Because it's kind of like a creamy pasta salad, which like I wouldn't do it with like a normal salad, but like a pasta salad, I think it kind of works.
Okay.
Okay, but you don't sound convinced, and I want you to enjoy it too.
I'm just trying to figure out the order of operations.
What do you mean?
Because you're telling me to not follow this?
Just not bake chickpeas.
Just leave them in a bowl
You
and
can mash them a little bit. Yeah, lightly mash them.
And add, do I add any seasonings?
If you wanna.
Should add whatever was gonna be on them anyways.
Yeah.
Okay. So I just, okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we're both making our dressings. That's super fun. How's my pasta? Is it okay? I love how pickly yours is.
Right? I'm so excited for pickles.
What?
Where's my garlic?
You said there was more. You said that there was enough. I'm so sorry.
Is this on?
Yeah.
Oh.
Just
Hello.
chopping some garlic.
Look at us.
Yes, chef. It's a lot of work, am I right?
So chef's talking about on the line. It's a lot of work, am I right?
When's the time to eat, am I right?
What's family meal?
Yeah, seriously. Sick.
Dijon.
Oh, I got that out.
It sounded like a
It did.
fart.
That was not for, it was the knife, I swear.
Likely story.
I would own up to it.
I don't know.
What?
In a kitchen? In a professional kitchen?
Is this?
Is this a professional?
Is this professional?
And it absolutely is. How
Is this a
dare
professional
you?
kitchen?
How dare
Who let
you?
me in? Okay, are you like faster than me or like?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Well, I don't know. You're doing more chopping and stuff. Mine's not a lot of chopping. How's it taste?
I think it's good. Do you want to try it?
It looks yummy. I
That's
love that.
fun, right?
Yeah, that's delicious.
Oh, thank goodness, because I did not measure. Okay, time for me to do some chopping too, but let me, I got too much stuff around.
Yeah, it's a hot mess. Well, a cold mess. Status update. Turns out the cabbage in my fridge is not edible,
We don't have cabbage,
so we can't make the third salad.
so what should we do?
So we're gonna make our own salad with everything we've learned about salads. Let's see if we can make a good salad.
Okay,
So what kind of base do you want it to be?
crunchy.
Crunchy. So you want like what?
I don't know.
Like, do we want to do like ribbons or matchsticks? Ribbons.
Ribbons.
We can do ribbons.
Okay, ribbons, carrots.
What else do we want? Do you
Well,
want to
like-
use up the rest of this fennel?
Okay.
Sorry, what were you gonna say?
What's the dressing? Because I feel like that's the
Yeah.
flavor profile.
What kind of vibe do you want to go for? I've got like, okay, so I don't know if this works, but I've got sun-dried tomatoes. What if we did some kind of sun-dried tomato dressing?
Into it.
Like really finely chop the sun-dried tomatoes.
And use some of the oil.
Yeah.
And then what else?
With some vinegar of some kind, maybe a white wine vinegar, because that would be nice.
Uh-huh.
Or maybe instead of vinegar, do lemon.
What else are we putting in the salad? Oh, is carrots?
Carrots, do we want to do the fennel? Does fennel go with that?
With sun-dried tomato? I don't know about that.
Okay.
It
So
feels too
maybe
loud.
no fennel. But we got carrots.
I was gonna say, do you have a good bean?
You want to add a bean and carrot salad? That could actually be nice, like a white bean.
Yeah. Beans, carrots,
And then I
sun-dried
have
tomato.
cilantro and fresh parsley, so we could do a bunch of parsley, which might be nice with
Okay.
it. And I think we need crunch though. So either like, maybe there's like a nut in it, pecans or walnuts or something.
Okay.
That might be nice, right?
Okay.
All right,
Okay, we made it up.
we did it. Let's hope it's good. Then what you doing over there?
I'm chopping the parsley. The carrots have been ribboned. The beans have been drained and rinsed.
And I'll go get a nut. Do we want tomatoes or are we keeping it simple?
I think we'd probably be okay without.
Because we also have sun-dried tomatoes
That's
in
the
here.
thing. There's already tomato. So maybe it's okay.
Yeah.
Whoa, it's really good.
Yeah, I think it's really good. Just gonna toss it a little bit first.
Good call.
It's really hard to toss with ribbons.
Yeah, they're aggressive. Is this gonna be hard to eat?
I don't think it'll be that hard to eat, but it's definitely hard to toss.
Okay.
But let's put our dressing on. We might need to spoon some of the sun-dried tomatoes here. I think the ribbons are cute, but I think next time cut the ribbons in half. It might be just a little shorter, right?
Yeah.
Just might make them easier to work with. Do you want to add the walnuts in and I'll toss them and then we can add more to the top? Because I kind of want the walnuts throughout, right?
Yeah.
There we go. Want to add some walnuts on top and then we're good. This actually looks really great. I'm really excited to eat this.
I hope it tastes as good as it looks.
And now, we also do need to finish up the panzanella. The bread into the panzanella. All right, which one do you want to start with? This one? Okay.
I'm most curious about this one.
Yeah, man. Pickles and croutons, two of my favorite food groups.
Pickles and bread.
Oh my god.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
It doesn't even feel like a salad.
It's so good though. I love this. It does not feel like a salad at all. I just need to make more panzanella salad. That's what I think I need to eat.
Mm-hmm.
That one first?
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll see what we did.
Yes, we'll save ours for
All right, pasta salad with a tahini-based dressing
That's right.
and not cooked chickpeas.
That's right.
That's nice.
Mm-hmm.
Nice and simple. I like it.
And I think you're right. You don't need the chickpeas cooked.
No.
It works.
Like you could, if you wanted some texture, you could add something else in here, but if you want to save time, don't cook the chickpeas.
I think you should put pickles in this one too.
Yep. Are you ready for our salad, baby?
No.
It is a little difficult to eat, but I think that's...
Okay, user experience.
I twirled it.
I got it.
Now you scoop up some beans. You gotta scoop up some beans
I have
also.
exactly one bean.
Okay, that's better.
Okay. You know what?
That's not bad.
That's surprisingly good.
Uh-huh. I've had worse salads.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. That's actually really nice.
I think everything works together really well.
How did we do this?
I don't know.
Like, this is what I want. Is to be able to, like, look at what I have and, like, let's just put together a quick salad. That's what I want to be able to do.
We did it, but like that's also hard to do because it takes so much more brain power.
Yeah.
What am I doing here?
But I mean, it was really quick. Which is your favorite?
My favorite is the pickles.
This is my favorite of the 6 we've had in this series.
Favorite salad ever.
It's really freaking good. I think my second favorite's ours though.
Mm-hmm.
None of them are bad though. We'll see if this makes me eat salads now.
Tell us in the comments which salad you want to try the most.
Yeah.
We will link to the 2 that were recipes and figure this one out.
Figure it out.
I didn't mean you figure it out. I mean we'll figure it out or just like figure it out.
Just figure it out.
I don't know.
It's basically like, okay, so it's beans, walnuts, parsley, and carrots.
Mm-hmm.
All that's in the salad. Then the dressing is sliced up sun-dried tomatoes with the sun-dried tomato oil,
Mm-hmm.
lemon juice,
Mm-hmm.
Dijon mustard,
Mm-hmm.
working through my order of operations, salt and pepper, maple syrup, garlic powder, and I think that's it. It's really simple.
Mm-hmm. Okay, there you go. Now you have all 3 recipes. And if you want us to make more salads,
Let us know.
don't. No, just kidding.
If you want us to make more salads, leave.
And this is not the channel for you. Oh, so good.
It is kind of funny looking at the videos we make and then randomly there's a salad video.
Mm-hmm. But tell us your favorite salad. Or
Mhm.
second favorite. Or least favorite.
I really like the fennel in here.
Yeah, it works.
I'm figuring out I like fennel in salads.